Brother asked the question that one of the Saudi prince financed a movie about a lady who wants to pursue a career and her brother doesn't want her to do that. So again, it's a wish of the brother she pursues a career. And he says that the Saudis should have a right to entertainment, to music, etc. So how should the Muslims look at it? Point number one, brother, I don't know about this film at all. I haven't heard of this film. So I don't know what are the ins and outs. I don't know the story. So I can't give a specific answer to this film per se. But if you ask me generally, if someone makes a film and a woman wants to pursue the career and the brother is objecting and the lady continues, generally I can give the answer. This particular film, I haven't seen the film, so I can't give an answer in this context. But generally, if a woman wants to take a career which is allowed in Islam, then there's no problem. If it is allowed in Islam, and if you see my video cassette, Women's Rights in Islam, I've given the details which career she can take, for example, being a teacher, being a gynecologist, a doctor. So there are good professions for ladies. She should not take up any profession in which it involves the exploitation of the body, like dancing, singing, etc. So if the career she wants to pursue is within the purview of the Islamic Sharia, there's no problem. But natural, under the circumstances, whoever she's living with, if she's living with a husband or living with a brother, and the brother says that you're doing only for earning money and I'm going to give you money, why are you going to do it? And there may be difference of opinion. But for example, if she wants to become a da'iyah, she wants to be a da'i, wants to propagate Islam, no one can stop her. So depending what career she wants to pursue, if she wants to pursue a career which is haram, she wants to do dancing, she wants to sing, this is objectionable. The question you posed, I don't know what the career is. Depending on the career, the reply would be based that way. And secondly, that the Saudis have a right for entertainment, for music, I do agree with that. But the entertainment should be halal. The music should be halal. Entertainment, it should be within the purview of the Sharia. Even the music. The Prophet did allow duff and natural sounds. But the other instruments like the flute and the string instruments, it's not allowed. So if you hear music which is Islamic music, no problem. Entertainment which is Islamic, no problem. So for that we have done a solution. We have launched the Peace TV. Peace TV. And alhamdulillah, it has entertainment, halal entertainment. It has got sound effects, halal sound effects. And this is going in Saudi also. And most popular it's in Saudi Arabia, in the Middle East. It's free to air channel, 21st channel. You can watch this channel, alhamdulillah, get entertained. And hear halal sound effects also. There's no problem. So if you know the people, that prince, that we have got a solution, a halal solution, Islamic, we'll get sawab in this world and the akhirah, inshallah.